Hello, my name's Nestor Orduz. Today I want to teach you how to prepare a chocolate cake. My favorite dish is chocolate cake. Ingredients: 1 cup butter or margarine, 2 large eggs, 1 cup flour, 1 cup chocolate chips, 1 cup brown sugar, and 1 cup chopped walnuts. Method: 1. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Grease a pan. 3. Combine butter or margarine and chocolate chips in saucepan on low heat. Stir often until melted. Do not overheat. Remove to a hot pot. 4. Beat eggs in mixing bowl until frothy. Add sugar and vanilla. Beat to mix. Add chocolate mixture to this mixture. Stir. 5. Add flour and walnuts. Stir just until moistened. 6. Scrape butter into pan. Spread evenly. 7. Bake in oven for 30 minutes. Cool chocolate cake before cutting. Thank you.